Numerology is a fascinating esoteric practice that assigns symbolic meanings to numbers and explores their influence on human life and events. It is based on the belief that numbers possess inherent qualities and vibrations that can offer insights into various aspects of existence, including personality traits, life paths, relationships, and even future outcomes. Numerology has ancient roots, with evidence of its practice dating back to ancient civilizations, such as Babylon, Egypt, Greece, and China. Pythagoras, the renowned Greek philosopher and mathematician, is often credited with formalizing the principles of numerology in the Western world around 500 BCE. He believed that numbers were the building blocks of the universe and held mystical significance beyond their mathematical properties. Pythagoras did not believe that the universe consisted of tangible elements. He believed that the primordial substance was number, since everything is rational, number, which encodes belief in the mathematical intelligibility of nature. Sometimes people, such as celebrities and wealthy business tycoons, change their names so they could get the numerology number that they desire in order to manifest whatever they want. This is the same for many successful business names. Bill Gates is a perfect example of this. His real name is William Henry Gates III. Basic principles of numerology. Number 1. Single-digit numbers. In numerology, numbers are reduced to single digits, 1 through 9, through a process called digit summing or reduction. For instance, if you add the digits of a number together and keep reducing until you reach a single digit, you have performed digit summing. For example, 547, 5 plus 4 plus 7 equals 16, 1 plus 6 equals 7. Number 2. Master numbers. Alongside the single-digit numbers, there are 3 master numbers considered exceptionally powerful in numerology: 11, 22, and 33. These numbers are not reduced further, as they are seen as amplified versions of their single-digit counterparts and carry heightened spiritual significance. Number 3. Core numbers. Numerology typically focuses on several core numbers derived from an individual's birthday and name. These core numbers include the life path number, destiny number, soul urge number, personality number, and others, each offering unique insights into different aspects of a person's character and life journey. Interpretation and meaning. Number 1. Life path number. Calculated from an individual's birth date, the life path number represents the essence of one's life journey, including inherent talents, challenges, and opportunities. It provides insights into the direction and purpose of a person's life. Calculating a life path number in numerology involves reducing an individual's birth date to a single-digit number that represents their inherent characteristics, strengths, and life path. Here's how to calculate it. Step 1. Write down the full birth date in numerical format, including the month, day, and year. For example, if someone was born on October 28, 1955, the birth date would be written as follows. Step 2. Break down each component of the birth date into separate digits. Step 3. Add together the single-digit values obtained from the month, day, and year components. So the month is 10, the day is 28, the year is 1955. So 1 plus 0 equals 1. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Now reduce that. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. 2 plus 0 equals 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4. Interpretation. Once you have calculated the life path number, you can interpret its significance based on its qualities and attributes. Each life path number is associated with particular personality traits, strengths, challenges, and life themes. Numerologists use these interpretations to provide insights into an individual's life purpose, talents, and potential paths for personal growth and fulfillment. It's important to note that the life path number is just one aspect of a person's numerological profile, and it should be considered along other core numbers, such as destiny number, soul urge number, and personality number, for a more comprehensive understanding of an individual's character and life journey. Here are some common traits associated with each life path number. Life path number 1. Leadership. Natural leadership qualities, and a strong desire to take charge and initiate projects. Independence, prefers to follow their own path and make independent decisions. Ambition, driven by ambition and a desire for success, seeking recognition and achievement. Courage, courageous and determined, willing to overcome obstacles to pursue their goals. Life path number 2, diplomacy. Diplomatic and cooperative, preferring harmony and teamwork in relationships and endeavors. Sensitivity, sensitive to the needs and feelings of others, with a nurturing and supportive nature. Partnership, thrives in partnerships and collaborations, valuing cooperation and a mutual understanding. Intuition, strong intuition and emotional intelligence guide decision-making and interpersonal interactions. Life path number 3. Creativity, highly creative and expressive, with a talent for communication, art, and self-expression. Optimism, optimistic and outgoing, with a cheerful and enthusiastic approach to life. Versatility, versatile and adaptable, able to excel in various fields and environments. Social skills, natural charm and charisma make them adapt and connecting with others. Life path number 4. Practicality, grounded and practical, with a strong sense of responsibility and a methodical approach to tasks. Stability, values stability and security, seeking to build a solid foundation for themselves and others. Discipline, disciplined and hardworking, focused on achieving long-term goals through persistence and diligence. Reliability, reliable and trustworthy, often serving as a pillar of support for family, friends, and colleagues. Life path number 5. Adventurousness, craves adventure, change, and excitement, with a dynamic and restless nature. Freedom, values freedom and independence, resisting restrictions and seeking new experiences. Versatility, adaptable and versatile, able to thrive in diverse situations and environments. Curiosity, curious and open-minded, with a thirst for knowledge and exploration. Life path number 6. Nurturing, nurturing and compassionate, with a strong sense of responsibility towards family, community, and others. Harmony, values harmony and balance, seeking to create a peaceful and harmonious environment in relationships. Service, inclined towards service and caregiving professions, finding fulfillment in helping others. Creativity, expresses creativity and artistic talents in various forms, such as cooking, decorating, and caregiving. Life path number 7. Introspection, inclined towards introspection and philosophical inquiry, seeking deeper meaning and understanding in life. Wisdom, wise and insightful, with a keen intellect and a thirst for knowledge and spiritual growth. Analytical, analytical and intuitive, able to uncover hidden truths and insights through careful observations and reflection. Solitude, values solitude and introspection, often seeking time alone for reflection and contemplation. Life path number 8, highly ambitious and driven by a desire for success, power, and material achievements. Authority, natural leadership qualities, and a commanding presence, capable of taking on positions of authority and responsibility. Financial acumen, possesses strong business acumen and a financial intelligence with a knack for wealth accumulation and management. Determination, determined and resilient, able to overcome obstacles through perseverance and willpower. Life path number 9, compassion, compassionate and humanitarian, with a deep sense of empathy and a desire to make a positive impact on the world. Idealism, idealistic and visionary, driven by a desire to create positive change and promote social justice. wisdom, wise and spiritually evolved, with a broad perspective and a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all beings. Sacrifice, willing to sacrifice personal gain for the greater good, finding fulfillment in serving others and making a difference. These traits provide a general overview of the characteristics associated with each life path number in numerology. It's important to remember that individuals are complex and multifaceted, and numerology offers just one lens through which to understanding and explore their personality traits and life path tendencies. Remember to use this chart for life path, destiny, and soul urge number. Number 2. Destiny number. Derived from the full birth name, the destiny number reveals one's potential future, career path, and broader life purpose. It offers insights into the inherent strengths and abilities that can shape a person's destiny. Calculating a destiny number in numerology involves converting letters of a person's full birth name into numbers, and then reducing those numbers to a single digit or master number. Here's how to calculate it. Step 1. Assign numerical values to each letter of the full birth name using the following correspondence. So, the number 1 falls under A, J, and S, and so on. For example, let's calculate the destiny number for the name Bill Gates. So B is 2, I is 9, L is 3, L is 3 again, equals 17. G is 7, A is 1, T is 2, E is 5, S is 1, equals 16. Now add all the numbers together. 2 plus 9, plus 3, plus 3, plus 7, plus 1, plus 2, plus 5, plus 1, equals 33. Interesting. So here we have a master number for the name Bill Gates, so no need to reduce any further. Now remember, Bill Gates actually changed his name. His real name is William Henry Gates III. Step 2. Reduce to a single digit if it's not a master number. If the total obtained in step 1 for you is a double-digit number, except for 11, 22, and 33, which are considered master numbers, reduce it to a single digit by adding the digits together. Remember to use the same trait chart that we use for the life path number. Master numbers in numerology are double-digit numbers that possess powerful energetic vibrations and spiritual significance. The master numbers include 11, 22, and 33, although some practitioners also recognize 44, 55, and so forth as master numbers. These numbers are considered to carry heightened potential and spiritual evolution. Here are the traits associated with each master number. Master number 11. Intuition. Highly intuitive and spiritually gifted, with a deep connection to the subconscious mind and higher realms. Inspiration. Inspired by visionary ideas and creative insights, with a natural ability to channel divine guidance. Sensitivity. Sensitive to energy and emotions, often experiencing heightened empathy and psychic abilities. Spiritual enlightenment. On a path of spiritual awakening and enlightenment, seeking to uncover deeper truths and universal wisdom. Leadership. May exhibit leadership qualities in spiritual or humanitarian endeavors, guiding others with compassion and inspiration. Creative expression. Drawn to creative pursuits and self-expression, with a talent for art, music, writing, and other forms of creative expression. Master number 22. Visionary leadership. Possesses the potential for visionary leadership and the ability to manifest grand visions into tangible reality. Practical mastery. Combines visionary ideals with practical mastery, able to translate ideas into concrete plans and accomplishments. Manifestation. Exhibits exceptional manifesting abilities, capable of materializing large-scale projects and ambitions. Builder. Often drawn to building or construction, whether in business, engineering, architecture, or other fields. Problem solving. Skilled at solving complex problems and overcoming obstacles with innovative solutions. Global impact. Has the potential to make a significant impact on a global scale, contributing to the betterment of humanity and the planet. Master number 33. Master teacher. Embodies the archetype of the master teacher, guiding and inspiring others with wisdom, compassion, and unconditional love. Selfless service, dedicated to selfless service and humanitarian causes, motivated by a deep sense of compassion and empathy for others. Healer, possesses natural healing abilities, whether in the physical, emotional, mental, or spiritual realms. Spiritual mastery, on a path of spiritual mastery and enlightenment, embodying divine love and wisdom in all aspects of life. Universal consciousness, connected to the collective consciousness and the higher realms, channeling divine energy for healing and transformation. Universal love, radiates unconditional love and compassion, serving as a beacon of light and inspiration for others. Master numbers in numerology are considered rare and carry a significant spiritual and evolutionary potential. Individuals with master numbers are believed to have unique gifts and responsibilities in this lifetime, often serving as catalysts for positive change and spiritual growth on both personal and collective levels. Number 3. Soul Urge Number. Calculating a soul urge number, also known as heart's desire number, in numerology involves assigning numerical values to the vowels in a person's full birth name, and then reducing those values to a single digit or master number. The soul urge number represents a person's innermost desires, motivations, and passions. Here's how to calculate it. Step 1. Assign numerical values to each vowel in the full birth name using the following correspondence. For example, let's calculate the soul urge number for the name Gary Light. A is 1, I is 9, E is 5. Add those up and that equals 15. Step 2. Reduce to a single digit or master number. So continuing with the calculation for Gary Light, 1 plus 5 equals 6. So the soul urge number for the name Gary Light is 6. Remember to use the same chart that we used for the life path number. Number 4. Personality number. Calculated from the consonants in the full birth name, the personality number describes how others perceive an individual and the outward characteristics they present to the world. Calculating a personality number in numerology involves assigning numerical values to the consonants in a person's full birth name and then reducing those values to a single digit or a master number. Here's how to calculate it. Step 1. Assign numerical values to each consonant in the full birth name using the following correspondence, similar to the destiny number. For example, let's calculate the personality number for the name Elon Musk. L is 3, plus N is 5, plus M is 4, plus S is 3, plus K is 2. 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 17. Now step 2. Reduce to a single digit or master number. For example, continuing with the calculation for Elon Musk, our total was 17, so 1 plus 7 equals 8. So the personality number for Elon Musk is 8. Remember to use the same trait chart that we used for the life path number. Conclusion. Numerology is a complex and multifaceted discipline that continues to intrigue and inspire individuals worldwide. Whether viewed as a spiritual practice, a psychological tool, or a pseudoscience, numerology offers a unique lens through which to explore the mysteries of existence and uncover hidden truths about ourselves and the world around us. Ultimately, whether one embraces numerology as a guiding philosophy or approaches it with skepticism, its enduring appeal lies in its ability to spark curiosity, introspection, and a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of numbers and life itself.